I love coming here, man. Beautiful skyline, see some boats. What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost of Track TV, and we did it, man. Two years ago, I was a guy with a dream, and oddly enough, I followed that dream. All I had was a bicycle to my name and a shitty job in Tesco, and we upped and we improved, and here we are today, turning dreams into reality. Oh my gosh, I did it. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Oh guys, I got my dream bike. It's so surreal. I can't believe that I'm actually sitting here on this thing right now. ZX6R, how? Oh, can you believe this? I'm looking down at the dash and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is all I've wanted in all my life. This guy's going so slow. Oh, this bike is something else, man. It's everything I dreamed of and more. What more could I want from life? Oh, now you know what I meant when I said the content's about to take off on the channel. And oh my days, I'm so grateful, man. I've been working at this for about 2 years. No days off work apart from when I had the surgery. All them bank holidays I've been working, scrimping, saving. Oh man, this is everything I wanted, man. I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm just waffling like this. Instant power. Can you believe it? Smiles for miles, I believe is what they say, man. It couldn't be any more correct. This is amazing, and I'm just in awe coming from a 125 and what this thing could do. It's night and day, man. Absolutely night and day. No, there's no comparison other than the color, maybe. Oh my gosh. And you should be seeing this soon, but I surprised Blaze with the bike, so that should be the following video after this. Man, something else. My dreams have literally come true with this bike, man. I can't be happier. I can't stop smiling. I thought I got loads of looks on the LXR, but it's like double that on this, man. Nudge through that maybe. There we go. There we go. and the camaraderie. Oh my gosh, everyone looks at this, man. Everyone nods. It's crazy. Listen to this. I'm in heaven. I'm in paradise, man. But anyway, listen. I've been your boy Ghost. Off Track TV, we're taking off, baby. I'm out. Love. Oh, and by the way, we've got a drone.